How to draw Raichu, the Pokemon, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of drawing Raichu, we're going to begin by drawing the left eye. The eye will appear to be on a slant, so we're going to begin by drawing a slanted line. On the bottom side of the slanted line, we're going to use a U-like shape to connect from the left side to the right. Well done! On the inside of the eye, we're going to add in a small C-like shape to help separate the pupil from the eye. Now let's move a little bit to the right. So we're going to begin to draw the second eye. The right eye will be a little bit smaller than the left eye because of the position of Raichu. Well done! So far we're making great progress. Now below those two eyes, we're going to begin to draw the nose, which will be a sideways oval with a small white dot in the center. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now we're going to begin to draw the left ear. We're going to begin by drawing a swirl, which will be on the bottom of the ear. Now let's go ahead and outline that swirl. For the next step, we're going to draw a big outline of the ear, which will connect all the way down to the end point of the swirl. On the inside of the ear, we're going to draw a line going up and down, which will help separate the colors. Now we're not going to draw the right ear just yet. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the face. We will connect from the ear that we just drew all the way over to the right eye. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, be sure to give it a big like so that other Raichu and Pokemon fans can also learn how to draw Raichu. Now we will use a curved line to connect the ear to the right eye. Now we will draw the second ear, although the second ear will not have a swirl or any lines going up and down because of the positioning. And I will mention quickly, if you want to learn how to draw any other Pokemon, then be sure to check out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. And if there is a Pokemon that yet isn't drawn in our playlist, then be sure to comment it down below so that we can draw it for you. Whoa, both of Raichu's ears look great. Now we're going to go right below the nose and we're going to begin to draw two circles, one on each side of the face. Now in the open area between those two circles and beneath the nose, we're going to draw a simple line to help create the mouth. Nice! Now we're all done drawing the face, along with the ears. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw the two front legs by using two curved lines that will both connect to the head. On each leg, we're going to use a curvy line that will be going from left to right to help separate the colors. Now let's move over a little bit to the left so that we can start drawing the second leg. Now above both legs that we drew and to the left of the head, we're going to make a backward seal-like shape to help make the left part of the body. Right above, we'll draw a long line that will connect to the ear on the left-hand side. All done? If so, let's continue. Now we're going to begin to draw the left back leg. The only difference between this leg and the other legs is that this will have toes. And if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then I highly recommend you consider doing so if you're interested in watching step-by-step drawing tutorials regularly, because we upload every single day. Now the last leg that we draw will be in between the two front legs. This will be because of the perception. It will appear as if it is actually in the back. In order to make it appear this way, we're just going to draw this one a little bit smaller than the two front legs. Now we're almost done, but we still have some things that we need to do before we're completely finished. For the next thing that we do, we're going to begin to draw two stripes on the back of Raichu. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing completely colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors if you would like. Now to conclude today's drawing, we're going to draw the tail, which will come to an end that kind of looks like a lightning bolt. So personally, I'm not too up on Pokemon, but do you know if Raichu is related to Pikachu? I know they look a little bit similar. If so, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of Raichu came out great. If you want me to see your drawing, be sure to use hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub on Instagram. And if you'd like us to hit our goal of 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, be sure to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and then also subscribe yourself. Thanks again for all your support, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, thanks for drawing Raichu with me today. If you want to check out more Pokemon drawing tutorials, then click on the playlist down to the left. If not, click on the video to the right to learn how to draw the Pokemon Mew.